I'm Holly Silva and I've been a crafts expert for about 15 years now. Today I'm going to show you how to make DIY lace craft cards. So what I have here is just a piece of lace I happened to get at the flea market. They had spools and spools of lace. You can get them at the craft store, or if you have like old lace tops that you don't like or can't use anymore, you can do that and cut them up. So what I'm going to do is grab some double stick tape. You can even hot glue these to your card. I like to just use tape because it seems that with cards and paper projects, you want to keep everything as like low profile and as flat as possible. So I'm just going to grab a couple little places here and mark it with the double stick tape just to secure everything down. And there we go. Right, make sure it's all in line. There we are. Now if you have any raw edges or anything, just cut it off. All right, like this. Make sure that you grab scissors that haven't been destroyed by, like wire cutting or anything like that. And that is fine. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fold it like so. And I like to put this on the top just because it's really eye-catching. Now what we're going to do is grab a marker of any color, especially if you're going to use a bright color, and you're going to write on top of the card whatever you like. Maybe it's a happy birthday card. Now write happy birthday on the outside. I don't know if you can really see that, but let's see. If we grab another color here, there we go, and just outline it like that. Really makes the colors pop when you add a dark color to the outside of any marker or another tone, another tone of the same color. If you're using orange, you might want to use a peach or black, which happened to work out really well with this particular one. All right, and there it is. Use your creativity, use your imagination. Lace is a beautiful thing. It makes anything romantic or fun depending on the color and the design of the lace. So have a great time with it. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.